What's the meaning of buckle? Buckle. Buckle.
Buckle. Buckle. The word buckle can have different meanings depending on the context. It can refer to a metal or plastic fastener used to secure straps or belts, or it can mean to bend or collapse under pressure. Buckling can occur in various structures such as columns, beams, and walls. When a structure buckles, it can cause damage or failure, and in extreme cases can lead to collapse. Therefore, it is important to understand the behavior of materials under compression and the principles of engineering design to prevent buckling and ensure structural stability.